Good morning, students. Yes, today we are going to start with the numericals on ordinal utility approach for your chapter 2 consumer equilibrium. Let's see few examples. Let's try to understand how the numerical comes here. So, we are given with the consumer who wants to buy two goods A and B. So, the prices are given for the two goods rupees 2 and rupees 4 per unit. Then the income of consumer is fixed at rupees 20. So we need to understand what are the bundles that are available to the consumer, and we have to mention all the bundles. So what does it mean? It means we are talking about budget set. So if rupees 20 is in all to spend, which is the income of consumer. So we are talking about the income, price of good A, price of good B. So we need to find the budget set and budget line also. Budget set means all the bundles which are on this budget line AB, that is income of consumer 20. So we got this line AB, and this income line, all the bundles and all the bundles which are on this line and below this line. This includes budget set. So how do we find these bundles? Let's take A, B. This is with price 2 and with price 4, and this is consumer income. Total income needs to be spent, that is rupees 20. So how do we find the different bundles? If the consumer is purchasing 0 units of B, okay, B commodity good B, and this is good A. So how many units of A is being purchased here? 10 units, because rupees 2 we can buy 10 units. Next is, if 1 unit of B is being purchased, how many units? 8. How is it possible? 1 unit is for 4 rupees. Okay, left with 16. So 16, 2 rupees each commodity A, so it gives us 8 units. These are the different combinations, isn't it? 10, 0, 8, 1. We can write it like this. Then we have 2 units of bananas. What is the combination? This is different points which are given. So 10, 0 is which point? It is this point, okay? So it is, let's say, point A. Okay. So moving on further, if 2 units of B is purchased, 12 rupees are left. With 12 rupees, 6 units of A can be purchased. So if 3 units of B is purchased, how many rupees are left? 3, 4, 12, and we are left with 8 rupees. 4 units of A is purchased. 4 units of B is purchased, we are left with 4 rupees. 2 units of A purchased. If 5 units, all the income is spent, 0 A is spent. So this is the point of 10, 0, and this is the point of 0, 5. All the bundles on the budget line are given here: 10, 0, 8, 1, 6, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, and 0, 5. These are the possible bundles, and these are the bundles of the budget line. Okay, so we also got this question: what are the bundles on the budget line? 0, 5, 2, 4, 4, 3, 6, 2, 8, 1, 10, 0. So we got it like this. Okay, every time the entire income is spent. Now what are the other possible combinations? All the bundles which are in this area. What are those bundles? It can be any bundle. 0, 1. 0 units of A and 1 unit of B. 0 unit of A, 2 unit of B. 0 unit of A, 3 units of B. 0 units of 4 units of B, and this is already included 0.5, which is on the budget line. Next is we start with 1. If we buy 1 unit of A, how many units of B will be bought? 1 can also be bought. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and so we got till 1, 4. So 2 rupees spent and 16 rupees spent here. What else it can be? 1, 5 is also possible or not? If I buy 1 unit of A, it will be 2 rupees, and 5 unit of B will be 20. So it is not possible. Only till here we are able to purchase. We cannot purchase further. Let's start with 2. 2, 1, 0. We will also take a bundle of 1, 0. Okay, we start with 0. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, until the entire income is spent. 2, 3. So 2, 3, how much income is spent? 4 plus 12. 16 rupees. 2, 4. 16 plus 2. 16 plus, this is 16 rupees. 2 and here it is 4 rupees. So entire income is spent. This bundle is already on the budget line. So you may not write it repeatedly. आप दोबारा मत लिखिए, लेकिन बजट सेट में आप सारे बंडल्स लिखेंगे. ये सारी बजट लाइन के बंडल्स हैं और ये बजट सेट में बजट लाइन के बंडल्स भी इंक्लूडेड हैं. सो 0.5 भी हम यहाँ मेंशन कर देंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट आपका आता है 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. So 6 plus 8, 14. So we can also include 3, 3. So 6 plus 12. So let's move towards the bundle. 3, 4 अगर करेंगे तो 16 plus 6, which is not possible. So we will stop here. Now we'll start with 4. 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, and 4, 3 is on the budget line. Okay. Then we will start with 5, 0. Okay. 5, 1. So here the income spent is 5. Here the income spent is 5 plus 4, 9. Here the income spent is 10 plus 8. Okay. 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 10 plus 8. Now that's it. Now we will move towards 6, 0. So 12 rupees spent, 6, 1, 16 rupees spent, 6, 2, 12 plus 8, 20 rupees spent. So we got all the bundles. Next is, if 7 units of, is it possible to buy 7 units of A with 20 rupees? Yes. So 7, 0, 7, 1, and that's it. You cannot buy 7 2 bundle because 8 rupees plus 14 rupees is more than 20. So we have only 20 rupees to spend. So we move towards 8, 16 rupees plus 0. 8, 1, 16 rupees plus 4. That is only possible. 9, 0, 9 units of A can be bought. 18. 18 plus 4 is not possible, so we cannot buy any other bundle. Can we buy 10 units of A? Yes, this is also a bundle here. 10 0. So we got all the possible bundles which can be bought with the help of rupees 20. So this is budget set including budget line, and here it is budget line points. So next thing they will ask you, how much units of A can be purchased if the entire income is spent on that good? If entire income is spent on A, okay, 20 rupees are spent on A, how many units can be bought? This is your third question. First was budget set, second was budget line, third is when he is spending entire amount on A, he will buy how many units of A? 10 units of A. उससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं बाय कर सकते, बिकॉज 10 यूनिट्स कितने के आएंगे? 2 रुपीज़ पर यूनिट है, 20 रुपीज़ स्पेंड हो जाएंगे. यू कैन नॉट बाय मोर देन दिस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज़ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? राइट डाउन द अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द बजट लाइन. सो अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन कैसे लिखते हैं? I have already told you price into quantity plus price into quantity. Price is A is 2, let the quantity X. Price of B is 4, let the quantity Y. Okay, so 2x plus 4y is equal to 20. This is the equation of the budget line. Okay, so determine the slope of the budget line. Slope of budget line कैसे निकालते हैं? You can use the prices of the two goods minus price of A upon price of B. So what is the price of A? Minus 2 upon 4 minus 1 by 2 is 0.5. We take a positive value, so absolute value 0.5 is the slope of budget line. In this way, same way you will do the rest of the examples and unsolved question. Consumer 2 goods he is buying, income is 20, both the goods same price of rupees 4. Write the bundles which cost exactly 20, means bundles on the budget line. So it is 0514. Okay, entire income has to be spent. So 16 plus 4 is 20, 8 plus 12 is 20, 12 plus 8 is 20. So the price is same, so very easy to get the budget line. Suppose there are 4 bundles of goods X and Y. Bundle 5 5 4 4 5 4 4 5. If the consumer's monotonic preferences are monotonic, then which bundle should be preferred? So these are the bundles. Tell me which bundle is preferred. 5 5 4 4 5 4 and 4 5. Obviously the most quantity is there in 5 5. This is the bundle where both the commodities he can buy more. So when he buy more, he has more satisfaction level. Next is a consumer consume only 2 goods, price is given 6 and 3 respectively. What will be the MRS? MRS, marginal rate of substitution. Formula is Px upon Py. Put the values and get the answer. So do the numericals, try the numericals, unsolved numerical on page number 2.53 based on ordinal approach, numerical 9, 10, 11 and 12. All right, thank you class.